In this video, I'm going to talk about the simple present tense. I will focus on the affirmative form. We use the simple present tense to talk about customs, routines, and facts. Let's look at some examples. My typical day. I usually have the same routine every day. I get up at 6 in the morning. My husband gets up at 7. I take a shower, and my husband makes coffee for us. I make breakfast, and we eat it. My husband drives to work, and I stay home. I work on my computer. My husband comes home at 5:30, and we eat dinner together at 6. At 6:55, I turn on my computer and I join my Zoom class. I study English from 7 to 8:30. After class, I watch TV with my family. At 11 p.m., I go to sleep. That is my typical day. Okay, so this is a good place to pause the video and practice this paragraph at home. Okay, let's talk about the grammar rules. We will start with the verb sleep. Sleep. This is the base form of the verb, sleep. It has no ending, no S, no ing, no ed. Okay, so let's practice the simple present tense with the different subjects. I sleep a lot. You sleep a lot. He sleeps a lot. She sleeps a lot. It sleeps a lot. We sleep a lot. And they sleep a lot. So if you notice here, for the subject, he, she, and it, we add an S to the verb. Only for the subject, he, she, and it. This is the general rule for the simple present tense. Please note, when the subject is he, she, or it, third person singular, you usually add an S to the verb. She likes chicken. He eats cake. It rains. Great. Okay, you're doing great. Let's continue. There's more, everyone, but wait, there's more. Let's look at the verb wash. Wash. I wash the dishes. You wash the dishes. He washes the dishes. She washes the dishes. It washes the dishes. We wash the dishes. And they wash the dishes. Uh-oh, this is different. Here we add an ES. ES. So sometimes you add ES. Why? Well, there's a rule. Rule number 1, when the verb ends in SH CH, O, X, Z, or S, add ES to third person singular verbs. He, she, it verbs. For example, he watches TV. Watch ends in CH, so we add ES. He goes home. Go ends in S. I'm sorry, go ends in O, so we add ES. Goes. He goes home. And finally, one more example. He washes the dishes. Wash ends in sh, sh, so we add es. He washes the dishes. Okay, that is rule number 1. Let's continue. Let's look at the verb cry. Cry. I cry. You cry. He cries. She cries. It cries. We cry. They cry. Again, this is different. IES. So sometimes you change the Y to I and add ES. Why? Well, rule number 2. If the verb ends in a consonant and a Y, change the Y to I and add ES to third person singular, he, she, it verbs. He cries. So I see cry ends in Y, and next to Y is consonant R. So we change the Y to I and add ES. He cries. Okay, another example, it flies. So the verb ends in Y. Next to Y is a consonant L. So we write it flies with IES. Okay, finally, last example. It plays. We have Y, but next to Y is a vowel. So no change. Because A is a vowel, no change. He plays, no change. So you need a consonant next to the vowel, like in this example, it flies, and in this example, he cries, to change the Y to I. Okay, everybody, I know this is a lot of information, but you're doing fantastic. We're almost finished. Let's practice together. Select the correct form of the simple present tense. Number 1, she works 5 days a week. Number 2, they wash their cars once a month. Good work, everybody. Number 3, the mechanic fixes cars. Fixes cars. Good work. Number 4, let's take a look. This is a little different. Directions. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the simple present tense of the verb in parentheses. So we see the base form of the verb here, eat. And I'm going to change this just a bit here. Eat is the base form. Here we go. Okay. So S or no S? I eat lunch in the afternoon. Good, no S. How about number 5? She loves chocolate. Good. We need an S for she. Number 6, watch. He watches TV on Saturdays. Good work. The verb ends in CH, so we add ES. All right, now it's your turn to practice on your own. Good luck.